lang.
So,
Yeah,
General Diaz, General Diaz, your name was also mentioned, di ba?
Sampo, sorry po, Mr. Chair, hindi ko po narinig dahil...
Okay lang po.
Pakiulit.
Your name was also mentioned during the announcement of the President last August 7, 2016, di ba?
Hindi ko, ang aware po ako yung nabalitaan ko po yung sa Air Force Anniversary. Kami po yung unang in-announce eh. Kami po yung...
In-announce na you're involved in drug trade, drug protector.
Opo.
And Colonel Floro, your name was also mentioned. Tama?
Yes, sir. Actually, my name, sir, was mentioned as Police Superintendent Floro, open close parentheses, retired, sir.